Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be showing you some secret spots in Animal Company with Coco.
Yeah. Aye.
Right. Number one.
It's over here. It's
maybe
mainly
a flashlight.
Yeah. It's not really a secret spot. It's maybe like a hiding spot over here.
You turn like a flashlight off and hide behind this couch.
You come back to the start of it.
Yeah.
This is also kind of a secret room, but everybody mainly knows what. Going right up the top.
That isn't really the top though. This is like right super secret. Like once I did like a hide and seek or something with my friend, and I hid right over here. And he did find me because I was like put like a flashlight on or something. Yeah.
Right. Next spot is in Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion.
But let's save that for last.
Yeah, say that for last because that takes like way more longer.
We're gonna need a teleportation bomb.
Alright.
Just one. Or if you want to, it's optional. But if you're just in case you get it. Go on top of water tower and do this. And we're inside of water tower. This is
good for hiding. Alright, so you can go out.